What's up, YouTube? Here I am again with another unboxing video. I already cut the sides because that's going to be a little hard to do with one hand holding my phone and the other trying to open this box. But this is something I got from Coventry Industries. Didn't know they existed until I reached out to the people over at JS Alternators. I wanted something to control the voltage on my alternator. Hold on, let me show you what I originally had. And I saw some people use this. But the guy from JS, he said this isn't really meant to be used as voltage control on the alternator. But I saw some guys did have it hooked up on YouTube. I saw some YouTube videos where some guys had it hooked up and wired up to their alternators, and they were able to adjust the voltage by setting the frequency and adjusting this knob. So that's what I was going to do, because this is pretty cheap. This maybe $11 to $13, depending on which brand you get. So I was like, well, I'm going to, save some money and get this and get it done. But he said that wasn't the right thing to do. He said what he uses on his vehicle, and like I said, that was a guy over at JS Alternators, where I got my alternator from. I was wanting something that I could dial the voltage up more than it was. Let's check these peanuts out. Set that to the side for a second. Okay, sticker. Coventry Industries. Like I said, I never heard of them. But then I got to looking at them. But they do a lot of stuff in car audio. They do bus bars. They do batteries. Yeah, they do a lot of stuff. Okay. Audio department, battery technician. He got his own car. Okay. Isaac daughter. Okay. Okay. We specialize in custom C-Max, inside and skid lithium batteries. Okay, so here's a list of the stuff that they do. Okay. Bus bars, iodized bus bars, voltage control knobs, which is what I got, balances. Yen Long built banks, SPIM 8 built banks. I'm not sure what that is. Official Rogue car audio deal, official JS alternators deal. Oh, okay. Slim and JS got a little thing going on. All right. But that's them right there. Set that to the side. Okay, another. Be a little sticker. Might be another little sticker, a smaller sticker. Coventry caraudio.com. Alright, let's do that. Man, I gotta pick these peanuts up. Okay. they did have different colors. I chose the black. They were out of the blue. I was gonna go for blue, but they got different colors on their website. If you want to look at that, you can go check that out. Set this to the side. Okay, just set all that to the side. And this is what you get. It's nice. It's made nice. Again, it's a voltage control knob. Actually braid it there. And you got 3 wires here that's capped off. You got a green, you got a red, and got a black. And it does have a voltage readout there. So set that down. Let's open up this. Okay, so here's a layout of how you connect this. Okay, that's the voltage control knob. Got the red wire going over to your alternator. Okay, so it goes through a relay. Didn't realize I needed a relay, so that's something I'm gonna have to order. Got a green connects to the yellow from the relay, which is pin 87. Black is ground. Black from the voltage knob is ground. This red again goes to the alternator. I'm assuming the sense wire. That might be the sense wire. And the blue, I'm assuming will be going to the stud on the alternator. I'm not 100% sure. Guys, if anybody's got any experience with these voltage control knobs, leave a comment and let me know how exactly it gets hooked up. I mean, it looks pretty simple though. There's only a few wires. Looks like 2 wires that connects to the actual alternator. 86 from the relay goes to, okay, so it's tap into fuse, ignition turn on, make sure it turns off, on and off with the car. And then the white one that's above the alternator, it says alternator ignition wire. You can tap into the factory ignition wire. So that would be the same as pin 86 on the relay. So I guess you could use that one with or without the relay. I'll have to look into this a little bit more, but yeah, that's what it is. So it'll be something I'll be trying to get hooked up when I get the time. Don't know exactly when that's gonna be, but I'll be keeping y'all posted. Just wanted to let you know that this is a product that was out there. If anybody's looking for voltage control for the alternators, that's it. And it actually has a voltage meter right there on it. Lets you know where you're sitting at and stuff like that. This I might be giving away to a subscriber or something like that. I'll keep y'all posted on how I'm gonna do that. Matter of fact, I ordered 2 more of these, not the exact same brand, but hold on one second. That supposedly does the same thing, but I ordered these before I found about Coventry. So, and they were already on the way, and again, they're not expensive, so I ain't even bother about canceling the order or nothing like that. But basically the same thing. It's set up a little differently. It doesn't actually have a knob on it, but it has push buttons. So I might be doing the same with these. If anybody's interested in these as an alternator voltage control on an aftermarket alternator, I'll say aftermarket because I don't know how factory alternators are going to. I don't know the lifespan on a factory alternator if you start jacking up the voltage. So if y'all guys get this, it'll be use at your own risk type thing. If that's what you choose to do, then that's on you. But again, here's a look at the 2 different ones. Like I said, they're basically made to do the same thing. But again, when I talked to the dude from JS, he said that these are really made for computers. But I've seen dudes do multiple things with them, like using control fans on the, like radiator fans on, built cars, hot rod cars, and stuff like that. I think I've seen some people say they use them on like a treadmill motor. Setups and stuff like that. So again, like I said, I've seen some guys on YouTube that had these hooked up to the alternators, and they were able to adjust voltage. And that was going to be my way of doing it. But I got in touch with JS. He told me about these guys, Coventry. I reached out, and again, with this bass knob, it's way more expensive than these. So just let that be known. These are, like I said, $11 or something like that. This was $120. So just giving y'all a heads up on if you get one, that's what it's gonna cost. But yeah, I just thought I'd make a video on that. See you guys in the next video. Later.